Cinquanta smile for me. So before we jump into this video today, I want you to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time that I drop a new video. Also, I just released my daily planner journal. If you've gone inside of the inbox and the description box and you've downloaded the free daily planner, now you can get all of your daily planner sheets in one place. And I've added a goal setting sheet. It is doing well. I just released it and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So go head over to Amazon and type in daily planner and my name, Cinquanta, and it should pop up. One of the first few journals there. So now that we got that out the way, I am going to I guess do an over the shoulder video on Zazzle. I've been asked a few times to do a Zazzle video and I'm not exactly, I don't know what video I wanted to do, so I just wanted to do an over shoulder video and kind of show you how I get ideas and show you kind of how to navigate the site. Zazzle is like a one-stop shop for me. It has everything. I normally use it for a few notebooks, greeting cards and sticky notes and some pens and stuff like that. But you can use it as so many different things. So today I'm going to do something in the military spouse niche. So here I'm just going to look for, let's see, military spouse shirts. And let's see what we can come up with. I also have Etsy up just to, check and see if there's anything good there as well. If there's any one theme that is, consistent. So I have this on a shirt already. This just says Milspo. Just here I am, just like I promised. Half of my heart is deployed. The typical Navy Army spouse one. Dibs on the man in uniform. Military wife. Marine wife. So a lot of the same things that I see coming up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the one I have that says hug a military spouse or give them liquor. I like that one, but I'm gonna go over to Etsy and see if I see anything that catches my eye. I didn't see anything like that was, brand new, out of the ordinary that I could play off of or do a spin on with my own wording or phrase. I know one typical way with the military spouse is to do a play off MOSs. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's basically a soldier's job. So you can always do a play off of that. So kind of the same things, MILSPO, which is military spouse, army wife. I've seen this design everywhere. Again, the dibs on the man in military survivor deployment. I do like the concept of, land of the free with the state on there. That's cute. Maybe we can do something like that. I do have an idea that we can go ahead and work on. Oh, look at my shirt. Yeah, I think I have an idea. So I'm going to go over here to Canva. And I am going to hit create a design. Yeah, I didn't mean to hit that. I mean to hit a custom design. And I'm going to just do 5,000 by 5,000 because it just seems easier. So I'm going to wait for that to come up. I'm telling you guys, I'm getting tired of talking. But I know this is what you guys are here for, and I'm super excited. As a military spouse and veteran, my family will be moving soon. So I will be going through that transition of, showing the move. Let me know what kind of questions you guys may have. And this is one reason I love print on demand businesses, because especially for military spouses. You can literally run your business from anywhere just by having a computer. I have legal stuff that I do have to take care of, but as far as my orders being shipped out, I don't have to physically worry about shipping products out during my move, which is an amazing thing. So I'm going to go over to elements, and I am from South Carolina, so I'm going to look for a South Carolina image, the outline of the state, something like that, of that effects. Waiting for a few things to come up, and let's see what they have. I normally look for ones that I can change the color on, but actually black is perfect in this case, because I'm just going to put white writing inside of it. So I'm going to scratch that out. Okay, I'm going to hit text. And I might do cursive in this. So make the text a little bit bigger. I swear my computer is going haywire. I want to buy a new camera. I want to buy a new computer. I'm just so over it at this point. But it's not going to stop me from creating my videos. But if you guys would like to support me in purchasing new products and things to make awesome videos, join my Patreon or purchase anything from my Gumroad store at gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. And on my Gumroad, it's gumroad.com Cinquanta Cox-Smith. No, I said that. Patreon.com Cinquanta Cox-Smith. Home is where the heart is. And I'm going to put the heart. So that's why I did that space there. But let's make this bigger. And I'm going to find a cursive that I like. So we're going to change the font and probably going to bring them closer together. I might use sugar and spice. I've used that before. And I'm also going to close up the gap a little bit. There we go. So far I like the way that looks. Might make it a little bit bigger. And I know y'all have heard this term before, home is where the heart is. So pull that over just a little bit, go over the elements and find a heart. Preferably red. But anyone that can change color is awesome too. So I like one with a little bit of character. So I make that smaller. So it can fit in here. So that looks good to me. Let me see. That looks good to me. I'll put it in a little angle. All right, I love that. Looks good. So I'm going to download that as a PNG with a transparent background. And that is part one of looking for a design and creating a design for Zazzle. So that was the over shoulder of me looking for designs and creating a design in Canva for Zazzle. In part two, I will go ahead and show you over shoulder of me uploading 3 designs to your Zazzle account. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.